Rapunzel? Long, long ago, there was a tower, no door, only a window. Inside lived a girl. Her hair was so long, so very long. It could hang down to the tower's base. People called her Rapunzel, meaning wild spinach, because her mother once craved spinach so badly. The witch Gothel locked her in the tower, saying outside was very dangerous, saying the world was very bad, saying only she truly loved Rapunzel. Rapunzel believed. She didn't know what the world looked like. She only knew the sky outside her window. One day, a prince came to the tower. He was lost. His leg was hurt from a fall. He looked up, saw a pair of eyes in the window. Those eyes, curious like a young deer. "Who are you?" Rapunzel asked. "I am a prince," he said. "What is a prince? Can you eat it?" The prince laughed. He told her about the outside world, about gardens, marketplaces, stars, about crowds, music, freedom. Rapunzel heard the word outside for the first time. Her eyes lit up like stars falling into a well. The witch Gothel discovered them. She was very angry. No, she wasn't angry. She was afraid. She was afraid of losing Rapunzel. Afraid Rapunzel would know the truth. Afraid she would leave. One day, the witch caught the prince. She brought the prince to the tower's peak. Rapunzel cried from the window. Don't. The witch smiled. Smiled horribly. Then, she pushed the prince off the tower. In the second before falling, the prince looked up at Rapunzel. He said 3 words. Rapunzel didn't understand. That was the witch's language, an ancient curse. But the witch understood. Her face turned white. The prince hit the ground. From the tower came Rapunzel's scream. The witch looked at her. He said, "He's dead. Forget him." Rapunzel cried very quietly. Tears flowed into her hair. Her hair turned from gold to gray. That night, Rapunzel touched her gray hair, touched it, and she remembered something. The 3 words the prince said were not words of love, were a song the witch sang when she was young. That song had magic. Singing someone's true name would make them lose their power. The witch's true name, Rapunzel always knew it. She just forgot its power. The next day, the witch came again, bringing food and water, bringing a smile. "Good girl. Have dinner?" Rapunzel looked at her. She said, "Mother." Then, softly sang that song. The witch's hair began to fall. Her skin began to wrinkle. Her body began to shrink. "Stop!" she screamed. "Stop!" Rapunzel didn't stop. She kept singing. The song floated out the window, floated into the forest, floated to every corner. The song stopped. The witch was gone. Only Rapunzel was left in the tower. Her hair was still there, just no longer gold, not gray either, but white, like snow, like moonlight. The window was open. Wind blew in for the first time, carrying the smell of grass, carrying the smell of flowers, carrying the smell of the world. Rapunzel climbed down her hair. For the first time, feet touched the ground. She touched it. Soft. It was grass. She found the prince. He wasn't dead. He fell into the bushes, passed out. His leg was still hurt, but he was alive. The prince woke up. The first thing he saw was Rapunzel. Her hair hung over his face, white, like moonlight. "You came," he said. "I came," she said. She helped him up. He taught her to walk. She taught him to sing. The two of them limped out of the forest. Later, Rapunzel went to many places, saw many beautiful sights, made many friends. She discovered the world was vast, with good, with bad, with danger, and beauty too. But she was not afraid anymore, because she knew the real magic was not hair, was not singing. It was knowing your own name. It was being able to choose to leave.